Halo everybody, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Rifatul Anita. I come from Universitas Nahdlatul Ulama Sidoarjo, Indonesia. Today I want to present my paper. The paper title of Rules of Artificial Intelligence in Early Childhood Education, a systematic review of adaptive learning, AI literacy, and safe learning ecosystem. Artificial intelligence in early childhood education has moved from a peripheral technological concern to a growing research domain within early childhood education and educational technology. Early students have mapped how AI tools support young children learning through robotic, machine learning, adaptive system, and intelligent learning environment, while also noting that the evidence base remains uneven across context and design. Research on AI literacy has expanded this agenda by examining how young children can begin to understand AI concepts, interact with robot, and develop early attitude towards science and engineering through age appropriate curricula. What is the main issue being addressed? The author observed that research on AI in early childhood education has indeed been advancing. Studies already exist conferring robotic, machine learning. However, the study tend to examine AI in isolation, focusing, for instance, solely on aspects such as technology, curriculum, AI literacy, or children language skill. The problem is that there is currently no truly integrated overview of the role of AI within the ECE ecosystem as a whole. Previous research Previous research has addressed AI in early childhood education across several areas. AI literacy and curriculum. Children can grasp basic AI concepts through age appropriate curricula. And then teacher perspective, ChatGPT and AI can assist teach in design STEM activities, learning technology, robotic adaptive learning, and machine learning. Ethical AI, privacy, trustworthy AI, and responsible AI character police, institutional and educational system readiness for AI. Systematic, okay. This article is not a field study but analyzed a systematic literature review. The only database used was Scopus. The search was conducted in June 2029, but the article included in the research corpus were limited to publication from 2023 until 2025. Article selection followed the PRISMA 2020 guidelines, proceeding through the following stage: identification, screening, eligibility, and inclusion. Data research scopus, we choose that peer review literature, standardized bibliographic metadata, citation information, subject classification, filtering from your language source and document type. Okay, research methodology two. Uh, we find five rules of AI in early childhood education. Designed essentially The core of the article, the Systematic Literal Review (SLR) identified 5 case rules of AI in early child education. Personalized and adaptive learning facilitator AI act and facilitator of personalized and adaptive learning. This means AI can help tailor the learning experience based on the child's learning pace, the child's interest, developing abilities, the child response during the learning process. The selection process consisted of identification, screening, eligibility, checking, and inclusion. Records were first identified through the Scopus search. Analysis strategy RQ1, descriptive analysis, identification various roles of AI. Patai framework RQ3, future research analysis, grouped into micro, meso, and macro. Trustworthiness reinforced through Prisma, explicit inclusion criteria, structure coding, quality partial, literative validation. Result and discussion 1. Finding AI acts as personalized and adaptive learning facilitator. AI can adapt learning pathways, learning pace, interested emerging competencies, and feedback. Discussion, personalization or not same with replacing teacher. The effectiveness of AI still requires play, dialogue, teacher sensitivity, child-centered pedagogy, developmental appropriateness. Result and discussion 2. AI literacy, computational thinking, fault finding. AI serve as contractual. AI knowledge, AI skill, AI attitude, computational thinking, understanding of the digital world. Young children can introduce to AI through robot, construct materials, playful inquiry, embodied interaction. AI literacy in early childhood education should not be interpreted solely as coding. Abstract AI concepts need to be translated into activities that are hands-on, playful, social, and age appropriate. Teacher empowerment and pedagogical capacity finding AI assistant teachers in lesson planning, activity design, feedback generation, personalized content, instructional adaptation, professional development, reducing workload. Discussion. Teacher judgment remains central because AI output can be inconsistent with children development needs and suited to the context incompatible with pedagogical requirement. AI should strengthen teacher agency rather than replace teacher professional responsibility. AI can support early screening, formative assessment, adaptive assessment, developmental monitoring, identification of learning patterns, identification of developmental signal. AI can help to find final interpretation must remain human-centered because the growth of the children need teacher observation, contextual knowledge, longitudinal evidence, and personal interpretation. Inclusive, ethical, safe learning ecosystem. All AI also plays a role in building a learning ecosystem that inclusive, equitable, ethical, safe, privacy protective, and emotionally mindful. Major concern, data privacy, security, algorithmic bias, accessibility, child well-being, family trust. AI safety is a shared responsibility among designers, school, teacher, parents, and policymakers. These are the article case conceptual finding contribution. The name is Patai. Pathai have five core rules of AI in ECE. P. Personalized and adaptive learning facilitator. E. AI literacy and computational thinking scaffold. T. Teacher empowerment and pedagogical capacity builder. A. Assessment, diagnosis, and early screening support. E. Inclusive, ethical, and safe learning ecosystem enabler. Patai can share or connected about children, teacher, technology, pedagogy, and ethnic governance. Future research, we found about micro, meso, macro. Micro for child and teacher or teach learning. Meso, oh sorry, micro child and learning. Meso teacher classroom and institution. Macro police governance ecosystem. Main finding, systematic review, we can identification of five core roles of AI in early childhood. Uh, that's personalized and adaptive learning facilitator, AI literacy and computational thinking scaffold, teacher empowerment and pedagogical capacity builder, assessment, diagnosis, and early screening support. And then inclusive, ethical, and safe learning ecosystem enabler. These five rules are integrated into Patai conceptual framework. Contribution and implication, theoretical contribution. Patai provides an integrated framework for understanding AI as pedagogical research, developmental research, teacher support system, and ethical and safe ecosystem. Practical implication for teacher, AI can support teacher not to change the teacher. Teacher agency and professional judgment must to be still. For school, AI must to use for the need of development children. For policymakers, to child-centered governance, data protection, ethical standards, inclusive policy, and responsible AI adoption. Final statement, the future of AI in early childhood education should remain child-centered, human-guided, safe, inclusive, and ethnically responsible. Thus, the primary value in the paper is not merely in starting that AI is beneficial for early childhood education, but in attempting to explain what roles AI should play and within what boundaries in early childhood education. Okay, thank you. I think it's enough for my presentation. Uh, I say thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.